Hey everyone, thanks so much for most of you who are watching this video. Just to give you a quick introduction, this is Punita Parekh and I'm representing Style Buddy. So, the whole idea of today's conversation is we are going to be talking to Vasundhara Chopra, who's the head of styling West region at Style Buddy, and we'll talk you through common concerns of clients, real styling scenarios, and the way we at Style Buddy transform them into actual workable style solutions. So, Vasundhara, welcome to this conversation.
Thank you so much, Punita, for having me.
Yes. So, you know what the idea, Vasundhara, was to let our audience know about what we do at Style Buddy and how we have transformed many people and many prospect clients' lives in terms of styling. So, since you've been in this space and you've been with them for quite a long time, and you're the head of styling in Mumbai West region, Maharashtra region. Can you share one client transformation story that has stayed with you and it's really, been very close to you?
So, Punita, honestly, in the kind of job that I'm in, I feel like I make relations with all my clients. If I don't, I won't be succeeding at what I do. But if I had to pick one client, which is a very interesting story, it's emotional but still very motivating. So, I had a client who came to me in her mid 40s, and she had been in a very long term relationship, and she had just forgotten how to be herself, how to dress like she liked, because she had been in this relationship for so long. And now that it had ended, she didn't recognize herself, because you tend to dress like your partner wants, you tend to do things the way your partner wants. So she had almost changed her identity, and to take that step in your mid 40s and say that, okay, I'm going to reinvent myself, is commendable. So we completely transformed her look, made her feel like herself, brought back that smile, that confidence. And I'm very proud to say that today she has started her own fashion label, and she's doing pretty well, being only 1 year into the business.
Amazing. This clearly explains that how styling can change your personality, can change your confidence, and can just make you overall look beautiful.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So, coming to the next question, Vasundhara, how does personal styling help working women, CXO, CEO level professionally, like specifically to the CXO level?
Correct. So, I feel like women specifically in general, they hold so many roles. So even if you're at a CEO, CFO level, you still have that role at home, maybe as a partner, as a mother, as a wife. So there are a lot of roles that you're dealing with, and of course, if you have the luxury to have help, that's great. But I feel like with women, you can never let go of your home. So to kind of take along with you. So as a personal stylist, I feel most women kind of forget, or they kind of sideline the idea of vanity and appearance, because at that level, they are at that level maybe in their mid 30s, their 40s. So they've already kind of built a life, a personal life, and they've kind of sidelined vanity when it comes to dressing up and styling themselves. So it's very important for us to step in and kind of take that load off them and say that you take care of your role as a CFO and as a mother, as a daughter, and we come in and we completely transform their looks in a way that they feel very powerful. Because also in the kind of world we live in, women are kind of undermined no matter what their role is. So through clothing and through appearance, we want to make them feel very confident and look very confident. They have to look assertive, because at that role in their life, they need to look assertive. Otherwise people don't take you very seriously.
Absolutely.
So I think personal styling is a great luxury that women at that level can kind of take on into their life and say that, okay, I want to look better, I want to look more powerful, because that kind of also will translate into their work life. How people are treating them, how they are actually performing at work. So I think, yeah, just bringing in easy ways for them to look powerful, but still being very practical, keeping in mind their personal life
Sure.
also. So both go hand in hand.
So just listening to all the whoever's listening, the CXOs, CEOs, it's very important to look stylish to look comfortable at your events, at your conferences, at your meetings. And Style Buddy is one such company who will help you with that. So, Vasundhara, coming to the last question, and this is a very important question. And if you can break it down in like 4, 5 steps, simple, easy steps, that'll be grateful. So, I'm just going to read out the question. So, this is for trainers, for client facing professionals, for facilitators who constantly represent themselves or their companies. How do you help them build a polished, confident, credible appearance? Can you share how you guide them in terms of outfit choices, grooming, presence, so that their styling supports their communication, trust building, authority, and just overall makes them look presentable? Can you break it down in 4, 5 steps, please?
Absolutely, absolutely. So number one that I always say to working professionals, either workshops that we hold or individual clients that I deal with, is that you are a brand ambassador of your company. You could be at any role. You could be at a sales role. You could be at, again, coming back to a CFO role. But whatever stage you are at in the company, you are a brand ambassador, not just for the company but also for yourself. So the way you present yourself, the way you carry yourself, really reflects on your individual self and also on the company. And I always say this small thing is that you never know who's looking at you. So if you're at an event, you're even in office, you don't know who's looking at you, and where things can kind of change. So the goal with somebody's visual presentation is that we don't want to distract people from their work and from their appearance, but we want to amplify their skills and their work through their appearance. So at Style Buddy, we do this in a very holistic way. It needs to come very naturally, almost like every day, like you're brushing your teeth, you wake up and you brush your teeth. It's supposed to come very holistically to you. So we do this in 3 steps. If I had to like break it down briefly, number one would be, of course, the outfit. Number two would be grooming, and number three would be your presence. So when I say outfit, I would say things like the fit of your outfit, the tailoring of your outfit. So like I spoke about, CFOs, you want to look more assertive, so you will choose things that are more tailored in their fit. They Small things like this kind of make a difference. You want your trousers to be really well fitted. So things like fit and structure really come into play when it comes to the outfit. When it comes to color, I also say that that plays a very important role, because you want to look assertive, you want to look powerful, but you also want to look very welcoming. So you don't want to choose colors that are very vibrant and are distracting from the work that you bring, but you want them to be warm and welcoming but still powerful. So just for example, a color like blue, it instantly, you'll see a lot of people higher up in roles as a CEO, CFO, wearing blue and grays, because these kind of assert power. When it comes to grooming, we've been taught this from school, but I feel like along the way we kind of forget small things like, keeping your hair well groomed, your nails cut, polishing your shoes. You could be wearing the most expensive outfit, but if you haven't paid attention to the smaller details, your entire look and visual representation can just go to nothing. So grooming plays a very, very important role. You don't have to spend a lot of money on like salons, but you just have to be well groomed, cut your nails, keep your shoes clean, pay attention to stains on your clothes, make sure your clothes are ironed, things like that. And lastly, when I speak of presence, it is the personal presence that you bring. Me as a stylist, I can put you in any outfit, but till the time you don't bring your individual self to that outfit, it's never going to make an impact. So something as small as you'll see people have a very personal style of wearing sunglasses, or just for example, you will see somebody wearing the same color of shoes every single time with whatever outfit. So that is a very personal thing. Like Steve Jobs always wore a black t-shirt, so that is something very true to his style, to him. And I feel like everybody should have an individual piece of element in their outfit.
Yeah, I think you've summed it up beautifully. And this clearly explains that how important styling is. We corporates, we are so busy with our day-to-day activities that we really don't have the time to really look at ourselves in the mirror. So I think the fact that Style Buddy is broken this entire process down in a step-by-step manner, I'm sure a lot of CXOs, CEOs, founders would find this very, very, helpful. So, with that, Vasundhara, I would like to end the conversation. I would thank you so much for joining in and really appreciate.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope that this helps people, and thank you for having me once again.
Absolutely.